Looking for a seamless way to transfer files across devices? In this Send Anywhere review, we'll cover its features, security, user guide, pros and cons, real user feedback, and a great alternative. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is Send Anywhere used for? Send Anywhere is a fast, secure file sharing tool that lets you transfer files without login. It supports original size media, 48-hour sharing links, and even in-app playback. Let's explore its features. Part 2. Is the app Send Anywhere safe? Yes. Send Anywhere uses 256-bit encryption to secure file transfers. The generated 6-digit keys are temporary and ensure that only the intended recipient can access the files. You can set an expiration time for the shared link when using the link sharing feature. Part 3. How to use Send Anywhere. Install Send Anywhere on both phones. On the source device, tap Send and select Files. Note the 6-digit code. On the destination device, tap Receive and enter the code to start the transfer. Part 4. Send Anywhere, Pros and Cons. Pros: cross-platform support, encrypted transfers, efficient and user-friendly, built-in Wi-Fi transfer. Cons: adds in free version, needs internet, occasional glitches, limited large file support, media-focused, paid advanced features. Part 5. Customer reviews of Send Anywhere. Pros: cross-platform support, encrypted transfers, efficient and user-friendly, built-in Wi-Fi transfer. Cons: adds in free version, needs internet, occasional glitches, limited large file support, media-focused, paid advanced features. Part 6. Best Send Anywhere alternative. The Send Anywhere trial lacks key features and struggles with stability. For a smoother experience, we recommend Mobikin Transfer for mobile, a reliable and highly rated alternative. How to transfer data between two smartphones with Mobikin Transfer for mobile. Step 1. Start by downloading and installing the free trial of the Mobikin Transfer for mobile tool. After installation, launch the program on your computer. Step 2. Connect both phones to your computer using USB cables. The program will detect the connected devices automatically, and you'll find the transferable data showcased in the central menu, as depicted in the following window. Step 3. When recognized, select the types of data you want to transfer and click on the Start Copy icon in the central panel. This will initiate the data transfer from the sending device to the receiving one seamlessly.